Leaves falling in November. It's about 28 degrees this morning. And we have the maple trees losing the last leaves. You can actually hear them hitting the ground. But most importantly, we have over here in the tree a robin singing. I think it's beautiful. As you can see, most of the leaves have been shed, and these are the last to go in the yard. You can actually hear them drop as they hit the ground. There's the pond, and the sun, and the frost on the juniper bush. But this is the beautiful one today.